customer-oriented mobile devices. The mobile business are related to entertainment, information provision, and digitally content. It is necessary to construct a customer-oriented for the further mobile business. It's necessary to construct a mobile customer-oriented business model that can flexibly cope with different situations based on location, time, personalization, and user preferences for wireless environment rather than the conventional one-sided content provision type of business. So the rapid distribution of mobile devices rather than providing only broadband content, the design and the operation of the customer-oriented mobile business must be tailored to accumulate customer information. For example, mobile content business must be provide services that reflect their customer personal characteristics. So also to provide customer-oriented mobile business model, the creation of profit for the mobile business and mobile business model also present an important issue. And there are many ways to generate profit. For example, from basic charge for the use of mobile business, switching fees, and content or service usage fees, hosting charge. Convergence of mobile media and mass media. Media refers to the tools and systems that are employed to store and deliver large amount of information to the maximum number of people. In the industrial society, only a few press of broadcasting companies create information that was available for delivery, and the general public tend to accept one-way model. In the knowledge-based society, people are not satisfied with one-sided mass media information model, and a variety of information-related needs have emerged with different purposes. So the biggest difference between mobile media and mass media is awareness, where mass media has the advantage in terms of its ability to source support awareness, and mobile media can facilitate customer-oriented business. The appropriate convergence of mobile media and mass media may represent a crucial factor in the successful of mobile business.